If you're attending Off to the Races, you need to know how to bet on the horses so you don't miss out on the fun. Here's a quick tutorial to help you prepare for the big event. Step 1. Buy your OTTR bucks. Only paper money, the bucks, is used inside the event. You can buy bucks at the check-in table or from roaming tellers in the room. One pack of 10 bucks is $20. Step 2. Choose a horse to bet on. Review the race sheet, pick your favorite horses, and fill out your betting slip. Simply mark which horses you think will win for each race. You can choose your horses for all 11 races or one race at a time. Step 3. It's time to place your bets. Visit the betting table at the front of the room. Give your betting slip to the volunteer at the table. Each bet costs $1. The volunteer will total up your bets, you'll hand over your payment, and you're all set. The more horses you bet on per race, the better chance you'll win a prize. Step 4. Watch the races. If your horse wins, bring your betting slip back up to the betting table to receive a raffle ticket. Write your name on the ticket and add it to the prize bucket. Once all raffle tickets have been collected, the event staff will draw one name as the race winner. The winner will receive a golden ticket to bet on the 12th race, a fun necklace, and a special prize. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 through 4. We hope you have a blast at our big event, raising funds for the Berkeley schools. Get ready for a night of fun and great prizes, and we'll see you at Off to the Races.